Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove a Mustang GT spoiler. First, gather your tools, including a trim removal tool and a socket wrench. Next, protect your car's paint by applying painter's tape around the spoiler's base. Finally, make sure your trunk lid is securely open, providing safe and easy access to all the fasteners you'll be working with. Now, let's get to those fasteners. Gently remove the trunk liner, which will reveal the mounting bolts underneath. Take your time to locate all the bolts and nuts that secure the spoiler to the trunk lid. Once found, select the correct socket size for your wrench and carefully begin to loosen each fastener, but don't remove them completely just yet. With all fasteners loosened, it's time to fully remove them. Carefully take out every bolt and nut. Once all fasteners are gone, gently lift the spoiler, checking for any hidden clips or remaining attachments. If your spoiler has a third brake light or a camera, remember to disconnect any electrical connections before completely separating the spoiler from the trunk lid. After the spoiler is off, clean the trunk surface where it was mounted, removing any residue. Next, you'll want to address the exposed holes. You can fill these with appropriate plugs or body filler for a smooth finish. And speaking of bringing things to life, check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. This helps ensure a clean look and protects against moisture.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.